First Warn weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Halloween. It's a snowy Halloween at that. We still are tracking some scattered snow showers. Most of those heavier bands, though, kind of sitting near Rochelle. Taking a look at the southern areas, Whiteside County is actually seeing a mix over to rain. Temperatures a little bit warmer there, but areas like Amboy, also Brooklyn, Rochelle, that area right there dealing with heavy snow showers. That thick blue band right there could reduce visibility. Also, most of the snow that has fallen has been confined to elevated surfaces, things like that. That doesn't mean that there are not slick spots on roadways, especially as we head for the next couple of hours through the evening and nighttime. Once that does, roadways are obviously slick or wet a little bit. When those temperatures fall, that could become a little bit more slick. So just be careful as you head out the next couple of hours. Also in Walworth County in southern Wisconsin, near Lake Geneva, Elkhorn, Walworth itself, and Bloomfield, those are also at least in southern Wisconsin, northeast of Rockford, where the heavier bands of snow are still falling. Also south of Belvidere in Boone County. Rochelle's down to just 2.5 miles of visibility. Sterling's down to just under 2 miles. So the heavier snow is impacting our southern regions where those heavier bands are currently located. Most of that snow is going to be out of here, though. I think by the next about hour. Still could see a few flurries, though, as we head through the evening, but those wouldn't necessarily stick by any means. Rockford's currently down to 9 miles. A heavy band of snow was coming down in Rochelle. You can still see some little areas of snow on the grassy surfaces out there and some snow flurries falling pretty much everywhere. Looking around northeast side of Rockford, downtown Rockford, also Beloit still has some cloud cover out there, especially in southern Wisconsin, but it's not necessarily snowing in those areas anymore, at least. 35 is what we're sitting at right now in Freeport, 36 in Rockford. Rochelle is down to freezing level at 32, though, but check out our wind chills down to 27. That's what it feels like outside in Rockford, 25 in Janesville, all the way down to 22 in Sterling, and 23 both in Rochelle and DeKalb. So wind chills are in place. Like I mentioned yesterday, not going to even hit that 30-degree mark. Wind chills are going to actually continue to fall through the next couple of hours, only going to probably be in those lower to mid-20s. That's going to continue to be the case the next couple of hours. Weather watcher Bob on the southeast side of Rockford recording a trace. That's pretty much the areas that we have seen snowfall, trace amounts at best. We haven't seen anything per se measurable, which would be a 1/10 of an inch or higher than that. Temperature at 34 degrees and then a dew point down to 25. Like I just mentioned, though, wind chills are going to be in place all night. As we head for about 8 p.m., that's when they actually fall down back in Rockford anyways to the lower 20s. Some areas just southwest of here are currently still sitting in those lower 20s as far as wind chills go. Air temperatures, though, going to fall near freezing levels sometime between 7 and 8 p.m. We also have a wind advisory out there, so lots going on, not only snowy and cold, but also very windy. So Joe Daviess County, Stevenson, Carroll, and Whiteside, this is only going to be in effect for about another half an hour to 35 minutes. That's set to expire at 5 p.m. Obviously, anywhere you are across the state line, gusty conditions. Winds currently are gusting up to 28 miles per hour at the airport, 26 in Janesville, 23 in Rochelle. We have had reports of peak wind gusts, though, up to 40 to even 45 miles per hour. So it has been pretty windy. That's pretty much in those areas that are seeing the wind advisory, like Sterling and also Galena, that has hit that 40 mile per hour threshold out there. Temperatures, though, as we take you through the next couple of hours and our future cast, you can see them falling down to freezing level pretty much all across the map. Another chilly night anticipated as temperatures do drop into those mid to lower 20s, at least in some locations. Cloud cover does move back in, so that's one thing to note. Not a great chance of sunshine. Might start to see some clearing overnight and into early tomorrow. That would lead to some sunshine, at least in the morning hours, and then we cloud over pretty quickly after that. 41 Wednesday, close to 50 by Thursday, and then temperatures are back into the 50s for the days to come. By next Tuesday, so early to midweek, I think we're going to turn back to a cooler pattern. Also, remember to set your clocks an hour backwards, meaning we get that extra hour of sleep as we head into Sunday morning.